all love our rice, don't we? We like to have pulaus, biryanis, kheers. But today's rice is really tasty. Let's make paneer tomato rice. So let's cut this into smaller pieces. So here's the paneer. Well, my pan is hot. I'm going to use ghee. And into this, let's add a little bit of black pepper and a small bay leaf. Now let's add in some sliced onions. Well, this rice really tastes nice when you have all the masalas and the paneer together. Very many times it so happens that we have some leftover rice lying in the fridge. You can very easily make this paneer tomato rice using some leftover rice. So onion is getting sauteed. We need to saute the onion till it goes little pink in color. And now to this, what do we add? Ginger garlic paste, some chopped green chillies. We've got some red, yellow and green capsicum which has been chopped like this. Mix this up and now goes in tomato. Along with this, I want to also add a little bit of pav bhaji masala. And let's also add some red chili powder and some salt. So when you add salt over tomatoes, tomatoes tend to cook faster. Let's add in the paneer now. Well, you can see the tomatoes, they have really gone soft. You can see the moisture coming out of this. Paneer has absorbed all the flavor. So now let's add the rice. And after you add rice, we need to add a little bit of salt. Now let's mix this up. Mix it carefully. We don't want the paneer to break, and the rice grain also needs to stay as it is. Wow, just look at this. Simple, easy, tasty, delicious. What else do you want in your tomato paneer rice? Please make it at home because you are sure to love it.